Sharifa just nailed it. We are back on day 3 of 5 days of Christmas. Today's is Rudolph and Friends. I'm just going to do Rudolph, one single little reindeer. I got my dotting tool. I got my palette with various colors, white, red, black, and blue. I think I want to do the antlers first. I'm using my dotting tool. Should have probably used a brush. Give 2 little nubbins. Oh, let me wipe this off. Let me switch ends here. I want the littler end right now. Well, these are just a mess. What I am going to do now, where's my palette? I'll use one of these. I am going to take my She Modern Sparkling Jet Black Glitter Pixie Glitter. I'm going to sprinkle that over the black. Hopefully this will absorb into the black polish. It will suck it up. Suck it up. So I'm going to tap, tap, tap. I'm going to stick this in the lamp and hope to God it works out. Okay, we are back fresh out of the lamp. There are our antlers for our reindeer. I think those turned out kind of super cute. We're going to go in now with some white for the eyeballs. There we go. I got my little flashlight here. We are going to flash cure those. Give Rudolph some blue eyes. Guess I could have done his nose as well. I'm really sorry about that. I had it sit right next to me in case my mother texts me and it's like 4:21 a.m. So it could be Instagram going off. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. So we're just going to wait a couple more seconds on these. I'm going to go in with the blue. Give Rudolph some blue eyes. Okay. And here we go for the red nose. So I'm going to stick this one in the lamp, give it a full 60-second cure, and we will be right back. Alright, we are back. Our Rudolph is completely finished. I think he turned out really cute. The blue eyes, I think, just add greatly to it. So does the sparkling antlers. I'm hoping you can see the sparkle in them from the pixie glitter. I hope. But we're going to leave this nail matte. I am not going to top coat. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Rudolph. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future uploads. And just so everybody knows, Christmas Eve, I will be starting my year-end giveaway and drawing on January the 1st to start one lucky person's New Year off right. Have yourselves a blessed day and stay tuned for tomorrow.